Hello kids, I have so many colors for you. Let's learn colors name.
Wow!
Violet color, yellow color, sea green, light pink color, sky color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, green color, black color, light sky color.
Wow!
Today we will learn alphabet with fruit names. Let's start. A for A for apple. B for banana. C for custard apple. D for date. E for elderberry. F for pig. Z for grapes. H for honey, honeydew. I for Indian apple. Z for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for quince. R for rambutan. Yes, S for star fruit. T for tayberry.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
U for ugly fruit. V for vanilla. W for watermelon. X for zigua. Y for yellow plum. Z for zest. B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.